On a fresh morning, Thuong wakes up early to help her grandmother clean up the farmyard. Golden autumn leaves cover the ground, and Thuong happily sweeps them into piles. She enjoys the quiet task and the feeling of bringing neatness and freshness to the farm. After tidying the yard, Thuong heads to the garden to harvest vegetables. She gently pulls up crisp carrots and bright red radishes. The joy of touching the earth and gathering the results of her care makes her feel proud and fulfilled. Thuong spends time with her favorite animals, the rabbits. She feeds them freshly picked carrots and softly pets their warm fur. The rabbits wiggle their noses and munch happily, and Thuong feels a quiet joy being close to them. In the afternoon, Thuong brings out her notebook and colored pencils to sketch. She draws the garden, the chicken coop, and even her rabbits. Her drawings are full of color and life, little memories captured through her eyes. As the day ends, Thuong sits on her favorite bench, watching the sun slowly set behind the hills. The wheat fields glow in the golden light. She breathes in the cool evening air and feels thankful for another meaningful day on the farm.